install for the Diff breather kit. This one's a an all dogs off-road 3.5 foot Diff breather install on a 2022 Frontier. This one's a little bit easier. With the 7 foot, you'll have to take the headlight or the tail light out and run the hose down through the body. With the 3.5 foot, I'll show you what we're gonna do here in a second. Tools wise, you need a 14 for the stock, and then the new one is a 13. You'll need deep wells for that. Flathead for the clamp, and then the supply kit top. So you need to be under here. There's your factory breather. That thing gets wet, your diff and axles will be trashed because it'll be a milkshake. So we're gonna take that out. So there's the stock one out. There's the new nipple in there. That was when you need that 13. So there's the new one.
I did that with one finger.
I'll do it. There we go. Got her threaded. All right, here's this. I ran it. It's hard to tell in video, but there's a good space between it and the exhaust. And I took it over, routed it next to this wire here on the diff. And then I ran it up here. And I'm gonna zip tie it right up there next to the evap. So that'll get me, as long as the evap or the bottom of the bed's not underwater, it'll be good. And that's I'm mainly doing this because I'm gonna be using this to put jet skis in the water. So if I'm all the way up to the bed in water, something bad probably happened anyway. So, but that's where she's gonna go. I'll check in with the finished in a second. So there it is. Put it up on this evap. Zip tied here. And then tighten down right there. That's all you need to do. Easy install, you don't even have to jack it out. So